The next topic in classes and objects we have to cover is arrays of objects. First have a theory part. Array of objects are the variables that are of the type class. Dot member operator is used to access the member functions. The index is used to represent the elements of array. An array of objects is stored inside the memory in the same way as a multidimensional array. Only the space for data items of the objects is created. Member functions are stored separately and will be used by all the objects. The array objects always start with a 0 index, as the user defined the maximum elements inside a array object. The dot member operator is used to access the member function. Just have a practical program here for using the array objects. So first we are creating a class by name employee, in which a name variable we are using here with a character data type, age variable. The next public section starts here, inside which two functions we are declaring by name get data and put data. We will just end the class here. To call the function outside a class, just have a class name and a scope resolution operator and just a function name which is there inside a public section. Fine. In this function we will accept the values inside the variables. First, enter name, the next is enter age, fine. Once again we are just calling a put data function outside the class, so we have to use a scope resolution operator, and in this function we will just display the accepted values inside the above variables name, now constant keyword we are using here, constant integer size equal to 3, means we are defining the element value. Now we'll just start with the main program here. We have to create an object by name, suppose manager, having an array element here which we have declared above, a variable name size. 3 values we have defined inside that variable. Now as we are using the array concept, we have to use the loop here. Starting by I equals to 0, I less than size, and increment by 1. For complete examples of control statement, if then else if, loops, for while, do while, you just follow the C language tutorial, in which we have covered each and every example for these loops, control statements, arrays, structures and pointers. You just replace the printf with cout and scanf with cin. Rest all the lines will be same. So in this C++ we have directly started with classes and objects. You should be familiar with the loops and control statement before starting C++. Fine. Means using for loop we have just displaying the values, all the three values at a time with the help of for loop. Just move to new line by applying a /n or &l. Same way for I equals to 0, I less than size, I plus plus, in above for loop we are using a getData function with the help of manager object but through arrays. In next we are just displaying the information with the help of putData function. Same way we are using the array object here also. Now here we will complete the main function program. Fine. We'll just check it. If any errors are there, press Ctrl F9. So 4 errors we found here. Press enter. See here, class member employee getData declared outside. Once again just remove the semicolon. Once again press Ctrl F9. Find 2 errors. Employee putData is not a member of employee. We'll just check it, the function name. Fine, we have declared getData and putData inside public section. Then we are calling getData. Same way putData function we are calling. Once again we'll check it. Press Ctrl F9. The next error is undefined symbol I. So just remove this I. Just run the program once again. So one error is there. Employee putData is not a member of employee. So we have to check it. See, the spelling mistake is there, P-U-T. Fine, press Ctrl F9 now. So we are now entering the details of manager. Suppose name is ABC, the age is 44. The details of manager 2 we have to accept here. Fine, the name is suppose XYZ, age is 22. The next is, once again we have to enter the details. See, through arrays we are accepting the 3 values at a time and displaying the values. See, all the values has been displayed with the help of array of objects. So we can use the array objects inside the classes also.